Bonjour and welcome. Today let's learn how to count from 0 to 20 in French, with easy pronunciation and English meaning. Ready? Let's go. 0, zero means 0. Un means 1. Deux, means 2. Trois, means 3. Quatre means 4. Cinq means 5. Six means 6. Sept means 7. Huit means 8. Neuf means 9. Dix means 10. Let's quickly repeat from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Onze means 11. Douze means 12. Treize means 13. Quatorze means 14. Quinze means 15. Seize means 16. Dix-sept means 17. Dix-huit means 18. Dix-neuf means 19. Vingt means 20. Bravo! You've just learned numbers from 0 to 20 in French. Let's repeat together one last time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! Keep practicing every day. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more fun French lessons. À bientôt!